Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, count of rows and columns equal sum. These are header files that include necessary functions for input, output operations, printf, scanf, and memory allocation, malloc, respectively. Here, the program prompts the user to input an integer n, representing the size of the square matrix. Scanf is used to read this value from the standard input. This line declares a 2D array ARR of size nxn to store the elements of the matrix. This nested loop reads the elements of the matrix. The outer loop, for, int I equals 0, I less than n, I++, iterates over each row, and the inner loop, for, int j equals 0, j less than n, j++, iterates over each column. The scanf, %d, and ARR, I, j, reads an integer from the input and stores it in the corresponding position in the matrix. The trailing space in the format specifier is used to consume any whitespace characters, including the newline character. This initializes a variable count to keep track of the number of rows where the sum of the elements in the row is equal to the sum of the elements in its corresponding column. This loop iterates through each row of the matrix. For each row, it calculates the sum of the elements in that row, S, and the sum of the elements in its corresponding column, S1. If these sums are equal, it increments the count variable. Finally, the program prints the value of count, which represents the number of rows where the sum of elements in the row is equal to the sum of elements in its corresponding column. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.